Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make changes in your checkout page in Shopify. So firstly, go to your online store, then themes, go to customize, then just simply pretend that you're buying something, then simply just click on buy it now. Then when you reach the checkout page, just simply click on open checkout settings over here, scroll down, then you will find the checkout section. Now over here you will find a few more options like the position of the logo. Up here you can also add a logo, which you should actually do it, then the background image, and down below you will also find the settings to change the color for the button and the background and stuff. And you can also change the position of the text and the information up here just by choosing from here. So as you can see, it has changed. Now you can also change the background color or the colors for the button. But I would suggest you to keep the accent color and the button color the same because it will look much cleaner when you are clicking on that button. So just simply change to the original color or make both the colors same. So after that, just simply press save up here, but we are not completely done yet. There are a few more settings that you have to do for the checkout page. Now for doing that, what you can do is just simply click on the exit button, then go to settings down here. Then over here you will find another checkout option, just simply click that. Now here you will find more options like customer account. What you can do is just simply click on account are optional, then customer contact method. What I would like to do is choose email because it will help me to do email marketing in future. And in the contact information, you can simply choose first name or last name or the last name. So the last name is fine for me. Then down below you can ask them to add company name or something like that. For me it's not necessary, or you can also choose optional. Next is tipping. If you are selling or giving a service that needs tipping, you can just simply enable tipping over here and add the charges according to your service. I don't need that, so I will just uncheck that. Then comes order processing, and over here you will find more settings related to address and payment system, and down below you will find the option for marketing. For me, I will just simply choose email, and after making all the changes, just simply press save. That's it. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.